That was that was trippy, bro. Oh, hold up. We gotta admire the transition from actual episode to ending. That was so smooth, bro. He fell into the my God. Oh, this song is a banger, bro. Yeah, this looks dope. Yes, sir. Hold on, it looks like, what is that, guts and stuff? Yo, hopefully in the next episode, man, he tears that thing from the inside out. You know what I'm saying, guys? I really hope he does. I really do. This ending is dope so far. They've all been so good, and for us to get one every time is just simply amazing, bro. That bullet. Wow, so dope how they did that, man. And the mesh between the transition between episode and ending right there was the smoothest I've ever seen. Like, I thought it was still the episode, and then just bam, ending. It wasn't like a black screen or anything like that. Literally transitioned into it of him falling into the mouth. You hear it like kind of chomp a little bit or some noise, you know what I mean? And then bam. Awesome ending, bro. Awesome ending, guys. That was dope, bro. That really was. Appreciate you guys for watching that with me.